Hello, today we're presenting to you the Philips DreamStation 2, one of the latest CPAPs on the market. Right out of the bag, the DreamStation 2 is a complete redesign. They've changed, as you can see, the color, the size. It's 29% smaller than the previous DreamStation, and now they've integrated the humidifier to the machine. So before, you could take off the humidifier and use the machine without the humidifier. Now you have to use it with at least the water chamber on. You could take the water out and turn off the humidity settings, but it's going to be one unit. The humidifier, the water chamber pops off, the lid comes completely off. That's a hit or miss. Some people might like it, some people won't. Personal preference, I prefer it to come apart completely so we can wash it better. It does have a seal for the water chamber. Got to make sure that that's put in place properly. As always, only distilled water. You don't want to use any other alcohol, orange juice, any of that stuff. You want to make sure distilled water. Now, when you want to change the filter on your DreamStation 2, before it was on the side. Now you have to take the humidifier out, and there's a little tab here, little filter tab that you just pull on, and that's where you replace your filter. Once you plug in your DreamStation 2, you'll see that your LCD screen lights up. Now, this LCD screen is a touchscreen. It's a tad bit finicky when it comes to responsiveness. So, if you have very big fingers, you gotta make sure you're touching in the right spot. The power button, it's just one big button that is lit up white. Now, on your LCD, you can touch your settings. The first setting is the RAM Plus feature. The RAM Plus feature, it allows you to change the amount of time that you're gonna have your RAM. It only increments, it gives you 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and 45. So it's in 15-minute increments from 15 to 45. You're gonna choose one, and then it allows you to set your start pressure. On the Philips Respironics DreamStation line, this is the first time that's ever been done. And then next, you have your humidity level that you can change it. It allows you to go from 1 to 5, whatever settings works best for you, depending on the environment that you're in and the temperature in the environment and the humidity in the environment. The next setting that it allows you to change is the tubing size. The machine comes with a 15 millimeter tubing, which is considered a thinner tubing, but a standard tubing, which is all your basic CPAPs have had throughout the years, is a 22 millimeter. And it also lets you go down to a special tube, the 12 millimeter. The next setting after that is the flex option. Now, the flex option is to help you exhale. Now, for the flex setting, it allows you to choose between 1 and 3. Those are the different levels of flex, and that's how much help the machine is going to provide when you're on your exhale portion of the breath. So those are your basic settings on your DreamStation 2 that you're going to be wanting to change. As far as the key differences between the DreamStation and the DreamStation 2, you can right off the bat tell the color, the size, it's 29% smaller, and now you have an LCD screen that you don't have to be touching a knob. Now, for the last feature of the DreamStation 2 actually has to do with the power cord. The power cord, you can put it in either way, because you can put it to go in with the groove, or you can put it to come out. I personally like putting it in with the groove. Like that, when you're gonna set down your machine's not going over the cord, and it's gonna stay unstable. Now it stays nice and flat. Those are the key differences between the DreamStation and the DreamStation 2. If you have any other questions, please comment down below. The DreamStation 2 is now available at sleepplay.com. Thank you.